Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. If it's one thing y'all have come to know about me is I live for a good cup of iced latte. And I feel like only I know how to do it just the way I like. Thank you Walmart for sponsoring today's video. We are using the new DeLonghi espresso machine and it comes with an automatic steam wand. Like, I am so excited to try this. So grab your favorite coffee and let's make some latte. It is pretty easy to order this machine on the website, and the best part is the instructions are straightforward. So I went ahead and made my shot of espresso. A little foreshadowing, I needed a double shot, and the machine indeed can make you a double shot. One of the best parts for me with making my iced latte is the ice. I love a ball ice, and then I go crazy with vanilla syrup. But the good thing is it's 0 calorie because it is sugar-free vanilla, and then I use my almond and cashew milk for protein, and then I pour in my coffee. Like I said, I had to go back in for a second cup because I thought I only needed 1 shot, but no ma'am, we needed the double shot. And I can already tell this was gonna be so yummy. But for me personally, my latte isn't completed without some vanilla cream foam. Yes, please. And the automatic steam wand was perfect for my vanilla cream foam. I pour that on top. Then of course I gotta top it with some cinnamon powder, give that a good swirl, and this is how I make my favorite iced lattes at home. This has saved me so much coin, and you can do it too by clicking the link in the description box down below. It is so easy to shop on walmart.com and they have fast shipping. Welcome back to the vloggy vlog. It is vacation prep. We are going on a trip. I need to get my nails done, my lashes done, my toes done, my hair done. And you know, of course, I had to start the day with coffee because it's gonna be a very, very full day. And then I have to pick out the clothes that I'm gonna bring on this trip. Because I feel like for this trip, I didn't buy any new clothes. Because I'm like, I have so much vacation pieces. You know my motto, it's to rinse and repeat. So I'm gonna just try to find some clothes that I already have. And we're gonna just try to, you know, switch them up, create new looks. So I'm just waiting on my Uber to get here. We're gonna leave in a minute. I don't even know what I wanna do design-wise. First, I was thinking I would take these off and just do like a short French square set. But I'm like, I ain't got time for all of that. That's gonna be too much work. So we're just gonna refill and then probably do something exaggerated, but still not vacation-ish, like too much, you know, like too colorful and stuff. I don't want to come back and have super bright colorful nails, so we're trying to find an in-between design and then see what we come up with. But anywho, girl, let's get a day started.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Tell him, bro. Yeah. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but diamond in the rough, yeah, we had it tough, yeah, we had the pressure and the pressure done its stuff. Oh, I'm not flexing when I'm brushing off the dust, no. All this pain and the tears made my shoulders rust. In this life, gotta do what you must, build your value up, gotta earn trust, avoid fuss. Maybe you don't know the facts, you don't know enough. You can judge me all you want, cause every day I send love. Every day I do me, makes me wanna see you, makes me wanna see more, makes me wanna see through. Maybe we become one, maybe this is the thing. There's an energy and flavor to the things that you bring to the table, or any way you're able. Real work turns into gold when you're stable. Now life feels sweet like syrup, like maple. Wouldn't change a thing about my past, I stay grateful. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. I'm looking in the mirror at the only one I with. I've been held me down, so when you see me now I'm up. I'm fresh up out that mud, I'm a diamond in the rough. So when you see me shining now, know it's anything but luck. It's anything but luck now. busy doing me, I'm out their range, I'm out of reach now. Almost let it drown, but they found me off the freestyle. Product of that ground, you seeing her eye me down. She wanna vibe, trying to see if she can slide. It's in the green now, it's snakes from my past. They look at me where I'm at, thinking they could hit my line, and I'ma help them on their feet now. I had a few I looked up to, they showing different shades. They might have blocked a couple rays, but now they watching my beam down. I struggle to open doors to places that come to life if I step inside. I learned to cut the keys down. Got it locked, this demon stirring the pot with pretty faces and plots that try to knock me off my feet now. No new friends, I had so many hit my line for the freebie, but if you see me out, you gotta pay the fee now. All these things you never cared to see me for is what I let the world see now. I'm staring in the mirror at the only one I trust. Been down on my luck, so when you see me now, I'm up. I fresh up out that.
Hello, lovely people. Yesterday was such a full day of just prepping. Like prep. I was on the move all day. Firstly, you know, we got our nails done. Like, I am obsessed with 3D designs. Oh my goodness, love. Like I said, I knew I was going on vacation, but it's only for a weekend, right? And I wanted it to look vacation-ish, but also still within the fall colors, so hence the browns and the dark green, because, you know, we still wanted to come back and we blend in. You know what I'm saying? So I also got my lashes done. Went for a more natural look, so soft with a little bit of spike, like nothing too wild. I need to brush this in. But yeah, soft and fluffy. That was the vibe, because the last couple of times that I went, I did something more voluminous. But that was also because it was summer. So those lashes lasted so long. But yeah, I was doing super volume because it was summer. I was doing carnival. I was doing back-to-back trips and whatnot. And when you do it like volume like that, it lasts so much longer. I know this isn't going to like last too long. I'm hopeful that it will last a month, but we will see. And after I got my lashes done, I went and got cornrows on the side of my head because I wanted like a half lemonade, half knotless braid. I'm just trying to moisturize my face because we're about to do a video. I'm going to braid my hair, so I'm like, you know what, let's make it a video instead of just doing it. And I know you guys are gonna ask, like, Chef, how did you do that style? How did you do that style? So every time I do my hair, I gotta record it. So let me show you what the braids look like on the side. Like, so freaking neat. It's so neat. It's so neat. So cutesy. I'm in love. I can't wait to see when this style is finished, girl. Cannot wait to see. It's gonna be so bomb. If I do say so myself, I'm hopeful that it will look bomb. Oh my goodness. If you're wondering what I moisturize with, I believe I shared this with you guys in a previous videos, but I ordered these from Walmart. This is the e.l.f. Triple Bone Serum and the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. Together, perfection. And then I would put on sunscreen, but it's cloudy. My shades will be down in my recording room. I'm not going outside, so I won't need sunscreen. But if I was going outside, sunscreen on top of that, your face will be glowing. It looks soft, hydrated, like just yummy. And I also use it under my makeup. Put on some gloss, and now I'm ready to tackle the day. I think I could do these braids in, I'm hoping, under 6 hours. We're gonna see. Y'all, this style took me way longer than I expected. It's almost 1 a.m. I don't know, girl, but it's only half my head. It shouldn't be that bad, right? Y'all, this style took me way longer than I expected. I don't know if I was moving slow or what, but it's literally midnight, after midnight. It's almost 1 a.m. But I'm done. Like, look at this hair. Look at this hair. Ooh. Ooh, with the side braids. Do y'all see the side braids? And then we have the knotless boho braids on the side. We're calling this lemonade boho braids. I'm literally in my pajamas because I need to go to bed. Like, I need to eat and go to sleep because a girl is tired, okay? Tired, but I got everything completed. The hair is done, lashes done, the nails are done. I'm living for these nails. It's legit been a while since I've had like artistic nails because I've been just sticking to French. Anywho, that is all that I have for you guys for this video. Make sure that you're subscribed so you see where I'm going. Come with me on my adventure, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at damnthatschev. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all tonight. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, pick up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.